Look at you, Mia. Look at you. Are you having fun? Are you having fun? Yeah. Is that a happy girl? Maybe. What's that? Is that the little mushroom? The psychedelic mushroom? Oh, you're not so sure about that, are you? Are you? Big old puddle. Ooh. What about the snail with the crazy eyes? Check him out. Yeah. Check him out. Yeah. Is that the cool snail? Yeah. Huh? He's fun. Say hi, Daddy. Can you come say hi, Daddy? I miss you. Bless you. Oh, hi, Princess. You're so precious. You like that snail, huh? Or are you looking at me now? You're looking at me. I'm up here. Hi. Look at you. Hello. You're so beautiful. Can you look over here? Can you look over here? You still checking out that snail? He's got crazy eyes. Look how pretty you are in your little pink dress. Here. We'll cover up your undies. There you are. And all 9.5 pounds of you. And can we get a smile? Can we get a smile? Huh? I don't know that was a smile. Can we get a smile? Rah, 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 rah. Can we get a smile? Rah, 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 rah. I don't know that you smiled, but you didn't seem to mind that. Hmm? Huh? Huh? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, there you go. There you go. At least the snail can get smiles, even if Mommy and Daddy can't. Oh. Ooh, yeah. You keep hitting the butterfly. Yeah. Oh, what was that? Did you miss a sneeze? Did you lose it? Did you lose a sneeze? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, is that a smiley girl? Yeah. I love you. Hi. Bless you. Uh-huh. Bless you. Say goodbye, everybody.
Hi.
Oh, yeah, just like that. I don't have to make you talk anymore. Say goodbye. Say goodbye to the camera. Say kisses.